So for us in the Rainforest, the focus from those 4 areas is right now in AI and robotics. I think that's the areas where we see the most direct potential within the air domain and the applications that we are looking at. AI, both from a development and disruptive methodology perspective, as well as from the production perspective and the actual sensor fusion perspective within aerial vehicles. Robotics from really the perspective that more and more is going towards an autonomous future, a robotic future, where we can scale the amount of assets much quicker than the personnel required to drive those assets.